Okay, so here's what I figured out. All of your Cengage imports go straight to modules. And so I looked at your assignments here, and I'm not sure. I think these are unrelated Cengage assignments. That's my assumption. Because when you click on them, it's just, I think that you just added this here. If I'm thinking I'm correct, because that's what it looks like. But if I go to modules, I see all of the Cengage. So your modules is not published. It's down here. I see all of your, let's see, I see all of your Cengage assignments are right here. And everything is shown as unpublished right now. This is that link that we have for MindTap. But here's the thing. If you want to have these all show, what you'd have to do is click anything that you want published, but then you'd have to go over here to settings and then go to navigation. And then you actually have to take this Cengage, or I'm sorry, the modules tab, and you have to move it up. This is a drag and drop. You just move it right up into wherever you want to put it. So students can see the modules. So they have to be able to get into the modules to see the assignments. And if you want me to do that, I'm happy to do it. If you want me to pull over all of the assignments, I can do that. Or if you want me to just pull over the link. But as now, if I just pulled over the link, um, let's see, if I just pulled over this link right here, I actually created it twice, same link though. If I pull that over there, they're just going to link into MindTap as a whole rather than the assignments. But I can link them all over if you want. It takes just a second, and I can do it in all three classes. I don't want to mess with your Canvas. But that's essentially what's happening, is that this module is just not showing because it's in your navigation toolbar. It's not up here. That's why we're not seeing all of these things. And so I don't know if any of it, at this point, you'd have to unclick anything that you didn't want to show. So you could probably just unclick that whole thing, or I'm sorry, everything below this, but I'm sure you know how to do that. But anyway, to get that over, we need modules pulled over, and we need whatever you want from MindTap pulled over as well and published. Let me know if that helps, and let me know if you need me to do it for you. I mean, I'm happy to, and I'm happy to create a video and show you exactly what I'm doing as I do it. Let me know.